Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen services. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make condo porridge, Aburo Koko pepper. And this typical among of Ghanaian porridge, we call this Aburo Koko. Aburo Koko be to make the milk account. You can add milk or granules to eat with this one. So you see how I'm enjoying it. Okay, and we eat this in breakfast, so it's good for breakfast, or in the evening you can eat this one too. But normal Ghana, we eat this in breakfast. In the morning, early in the morning, you can get this cocoa to eat. Okay, let me show you the ingredients you need. You need your condo, you need water, you need Kili Pepper, ginger and chili pepper, and sugar and salt for taste. Please, let's start. I'm coming to blend all the ingredients together. So this is the condo, and you add your chili pepper, you cut your ginger into pieces, and you add the Kili pepper. That's pepper, a friend pepper in Ghana, pepper. Yeah, you use that one, you add that one to it. You add your water and you blend until smooth. Very thanks to my old subscribers and my followers. May God bless you, everyone who is supporting me. And if you are new here, don't forget to follow all my social media platforms: Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Thank you. You see, I have finished blended, and you strain or you sieve it. Yeah, because it didn't blend good, so you're supposed to strain it. You add some water to it, and you do the same what I'm doing it. Yeah, you know I use water to wash my blender, so that's what I add to it. And you can add more water. Yeah, it's supposed to be light, not too thick. Yeah, that's why I'm adding it before you put on fire. And this is not good, so you throw that one away. You see what I got it. Put it on fire and set the heat to medium temperature, not high, not low. And you stir it until you see it's thicker. Please don't leave it, otherwise you cannot eat. Please like, follow and share my Facebook page. God bless you. Continue stirring it until you see it's thick. Yeah, because if you leave it, or you throw it away, so don't stop stirring it. Yeah, and don't forget to follow my Instagram page too. You see it's getting thicker, you see, so I'll add more water to it. Yeah, because I don't want too thick like this, so I'm adding water, normal water. I'm adding it, and I continue stirring it like this, and everything will be nice. Someone will ask why the cocoa is two color like this, or it has changed it because of the red chili I added. But if you go to Ghana, this cocoa, this porridge, we use red pepper to make it. That's why you can see it has changed. My cocoa is too thick, so I'm adding more water to it. Yeah, I don't want the thick, I don't want the light. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell on my YouTube channel. Thank you. add a pinch of salt. You stir it, you mix it. It's good to add salt, otherwise it will be taste some way. And you add your sugar. It depends how you want your porridge or your cocoa should be sweet. It depends. You mix that one too. And now the cocoa is ready to serve. Your breakfast is ready. This is among of local Ghanaian porridge. Cocoa. If we call this Aburo Koko Pepper. And you can eat with bread, puff or anything you prefer to eat with. Don't forget to follow all my social media platforms. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there. Like it, comment and share it. Thanks for watching my catering services. See you on my next video. Bye bye.